everybody, I have missed you. Sorry it's taken so long. Let's get started on some paper clip slip coverings with some beads. This is going to be fun. All right, so I started off with, this is exactly what they're going to look like at the end with when you do it all. Everybody can change theirs up with different color papers, of course, different eyelets. I use gold eyelets. I also beaded the beads myself with a gourd pin inside of the eyelet hole. And if you want me to, I can do a tutorial on how to bead the beads onto the head pins. But this is how they turn out. Super cute. So anyway, I'm just kind of reaching over. I want to show you exactly how they clip on there. So you got the longer side of the clip and the shorter end of the clip on the other side. There you go. I did a lot of mine in fall and Christmas since that's the theme that's coming up since we're on August, you know, the end of August. So we're trailing toward the end. But you're going to need some crafting glue. I use the Barely Art precision crafting glue. You can use any kind that you want. I have my template that I've actually linked below that's in Cricut Design Space. You can cut those out with your Cricut machine. I can also link a PDF file for those as well that don't have a Cricut, so you can cut those by hand. You'll need some 3/16 eyelets. You can use any color. I just like the gold. And then I have a crocodile eyelet for both size eyelets, the 3/16 and the, I can't remember, a bone tool. And then a 2-inch jumbo paper clip. I get mine on Amazon. I'll have most of the things that I use linked below if I can find it. That paper's from Echo Park scrapbook paper. So in that template, there's two different sizes. For one size for the small side and the other side is for the larger side. And you're going to see in a second. So what you'll do, either side of that scrapbooking paper, and I'll have some scrapbook paper that you can actually download to and print out on cardstock. That way you don't have to go out and go buy a paper pack or anything. You can find some pattern paper that I created for you. You can just print out. I recommend cardstock. Don't use copy paper. It's too thin. The cardstock's a little thicker. All right, so what you're going to do is on the larger of the template, you're going to take that 2-inch paper clip, the long side. I always think of it like this. You're going to tuck that long side into the long end. You're going to tuck it in like a little blanket. You're going to tuck it right in there. So the long side gets tucked into that little piece right there of the longer. One of those pieces is longer than the other one. So this one I'm grabbing is a little shorter, and you'll see it. See it shorter. So you're going to go ahead and tuck the short of the short into, come on, up in there. There we go. Up into that. And I'm going to make sure you guys, I'm going to hold it up so you can do some screenshots to it. But the top and the top are going to have to match up. And it still makes a really sturdy paper clip on the inside. It doesn't move. It doesn't wiggle. It's really sturdy in there too. So there you go. We're going to go ahead and tuck that in. There's a short end of the paper clip. Sometimes it likes to move on you, and it's okay to have it move. I think right here I have a bunch of glue that popped out, but see, I'm showing you right here. Take a screenshot if you need to. There's the short side. That's the long side. That's what that should look like. Short side, long side. All right. And then face the paper however you want. It's totally up to you. Oopsie. I was like, oh my gosh, there's so much glue coming out. It was driving me crazy. I think I've had to replace my glue tip like 3 different times. I even have like a little stopper that I put on it that I created with a bead. And then, I don't know. I'm going to have to try another way. It's cute. Sometimes cute is not functional. Am I right? Okay. How many of you have issues with tips of the glue getting clogged up? Let me know below. All right. So you're going to put glue on that one side. You're going to put glue on this side. It's all going to go on the inside part. You'll see exactly where I'm gluing it. There we go. And you're going to kind of squish it together a little bit. Squish, squish, squish. Squish together. The good part is with the craft glue, majority of those are all clear drying. This dries pretty quick. That's why I think the glitter art glue also dries pretty quick, but I think that I was like, open up and move a little bit because my OCD kind of kicked in there with that paper clip. It doesn't have to be perfect. It won't be 100% perfect, but it works. It's closed and it looks pretty to me. And nothing that you do handcrafted is ever going to be perfect, hence the word handcrafted. So I'll go ahead and squish all that paper down so it gets nice and tight in there. Keeps that paper clip nice and sturdy. Now you can wait for that to dry on the very end. See, there we go. Look, I'm showing you it's going through. Short side, long side. All right, so this is where I push it down, making sure it's good to go. Now you can wait for it to dry and do this. It's not really going to matter. I look for the 3/16 punch on my Crocodile, and I just punch it. Boom, done. I think I saw a fruit fly. I think Carolina's Craft saw a fruit fly one time with her too. I'm like, what's going on? All right, so put that gold eyelet in there. There's a little punch right inside of there. And you can do lots of different size eyelets with a sucker. It's so much fun to use. I use it on a lot of different things. So there you go. So there's another one I did. I showed you with the little gourd pin. You can pop it off. And I'm just popping it off so I can put it on the one that I just did. But I'm telling you, it's so much fun to make these and just see what kind of creative outlets you have. You can do ribbon through that. You don't even need an eyelet. You could do it without the eyelet and just punch it with a regular paper punch hole and put some ribbon through it, tulle through it. Let me know what you guys would do. If you have any ideas or suggestions, I'm open to it. I'll try it. I'll try your ideas. And you can do seam binding on it. I made a video recently with some seam binding. It's super cute. I need to make another one because I updated them, did a bunch more colors of seam binding and really got them a nice deep dark color or light color. But anyway, I'm going to have a couple different sizes. On that Cricut template that I gave you, there's a little bit bigger of a size and then the size that I just made. See, I'm just kind of comparing them. But that's it. I really hope you enjoyed the video that I showed you. All the different possibilities are endless with different papers. Let me know what you end up creating down below and join my Facebook group. Thanks, guys. Bye.